Before we get to your full weather with Christian, let's take a look at this video that Wayne sent us of some ducks on Forest Lake enjoying a lunch before the storm. Thanks so much for sending that in, Wayne. Remember, you can always share your photos and videos with us using the Near Me section of the News Center Maine mobile app.
See a little ice there on the lake.
I know. I was trying to peek in a little bit. It's coming.
It's coming. Yeah, that lake will be frozen over by the end of the week.
I didn't want to assume anything. I'm still kind of a novice at this, but
hey, you're nailing it so far, Bailey. For being from Florida,
okay.
I think you're crushing it.
Thank you. That's
we'll see how you feel about it at this time tomorrow night.
Maybe all my spirits will be drained.
Right here, bringing you all the latest on this storm. Anyway, let's talk about what we're seeing tonight. It's going to be a really cold night. This will set the stage for the snow to stick to the ground, at least away from the coast, instantly tomorrow. So as soon as it starts snowing, it will be slick on the roads out there tomorrow as it moves in around 7 to 9 a.m. You can see lows mainly in the teens, single numbers Rangeley up to Caribou. Of course, we know it's cold tonight. We want to talk about what we're expecting tomorrow. Let's break down what we're going to see in terms of totals here. It's going to be one of those systems where there's just a big, sharp gradient from right along the coast to inland areas. I think almost the entire state will get snow here, but along the coast, where we'll likely see some rain tomorrow afternoon, it will take a little bit longer to switch over to snow. So along the coastline, I don't really expect much accumulation until after sunset tomorrow. So really not super impactful during the day, it looks like, along the coast until we get later into the evening. Now, as soon as you get away from the coastline, the impacts start to increase. 6 to 9 inches of snow across interior York County, quickly ramping up to 9 inches or more. Places like Sanford up towards Freiburg, places like Leamington, Limerick, and York County, Brownfield as well, all in that corridor there, going to see upwards of 9 inches or more of snow. Portland area, because we're tucked a little bit farther inland than places, say, down east or in the mid-coast, we likely can squeeze out 6 inches or so of snow here, 6 to 9 inches expected there. Also including Lewiston, Augusta, no school in those spots tomorrow. No surprise there with the 6 to 9 inches of snow on the way. That also includes places like Bangor, expecting a half foot or more. And along the coastline, we are going to see lower totals as again will stay rain. I think that some mid-coast and down east islands and peninsulas, there may be some spots that only get a slushy inch or two out of this storm. Again, it will be an inland event for those highest totals. So I want to talk to or break down how this snow will stack up tomorrow. Looks like, again, along the coast, we're probably waiting till the evening to see accumulation. The Portland area maybe gets a little in the afternoon, but really in the evening is when we expect that accumulation, and it will come down quick. And so by midnight, we'll have a half foot or more on the ground. Sanford, where of course the snow starts earlier, it's colder. We're expecting some of the highest totals there. Yeah, we start accumulating that earlier, and it also stacks up quickly into the evening. So you're commuting tomorrow, 5, 6 a.m., no concerns. It's 7, 8, 9 o'clock. That's when the light snow begins. As I mentioned, it will stick immediately with the cold ground temperatures. By midday, you can see some of that rain along the coastline, especially in mid-coast and down east Maine. Really starts to ramp up after lunchtime. The heaviest snowfall rates will be in the late afternoon and early evening, with everything beginning to wind down as we head towards midnight. I will note that this model run a little colder than it was looking earlier. This keeps Portland all snow or reduces the risk of us mixing. So I really think I'm pretty confident we're going to get a half foot or more in the Portland area. Still expecting rain along the coast in mid-coast and down east Maine, which will cut down on those totals. Now, if you are seeing rain, it flips to snow by the evening as we lose the sunshine and cold air winds out, and then everything wraps up after midnight. So again, even if you do get some rain along the coast tomorrow, you will get some snow. It will flip over to snow after the sun sets. Beyond that, we head into Wednesday with a quiet day. There will be some lingering slick spots in the morning, but things will be quiet. Thursday, an Arctic front moves in. Snow squalls are likely Thursday afternoon. And it is going to be very cold Thursday night and Friday. The coldest air of the season so far on the way. And then we're watching Saturday, potentially a little light snow Saturday, but not looking like anything significant at this point. So lots to talk about here in our forecast. By Friday morning, we'll be talking about below zero and single-digit numbers. And let's jump into our 7-day here. You can see we've got that big cool down after the storm later this week on Friday. Highs only in the low 20s, lows in the single digits or below zero. Little reprieve from the frigid cold for the weekend, not by much, because the frigid cold comes back early next week, Bailey. So, there we go.
You did it.
We did it.
Got it.
Woo.
Doing it all again tomorrow.